Howdy everybody, just dropping this video. This is a quick check video. I got a 2021 Husky FC 350 with a no start condition. I went riding Sunday and halfway through the day, look, press the button, nothing happens. It was working fine all day. I just want to show you real quick, so keep up with me. I used to be a tech at a car dealership, so I may have tools, you may not, but I'm going to show you some quick checks. And they say start from the beginning. Make sure you have a good battery. That's like 90% of the problem. People think they have a good battery and it doesn't have enough charge. So let's do that. I have a DVOM, digital volt multimeter. Set this biatch to voltage DC, and I have super nice leads. Bear with me, I'm doing this alone, holding the camera. I have nice leads. You're not gonna have these are crazy money. But hook your positive, negative. It doesn't matter because it's gonna give you a negative or positive reading. Just hook it to the battery. Check what you got. You should have at minimum 13 volts. This battery is brand new, maybe a month old. Here you go, 14 volts, boom. It's not the battery. I checked my connections at the battery. You know, your 10 millimeters there, 8 millimeters, I'm sorry. They're all good. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna check the fuses and the starter solenoid. So obviously you gotta take your seat off, your plastics. But anyway, here's the starter solenoid. I kind of took this apart. So it slides up. It's this thing here with two 10 amp fuses. These two rubber boots, this is gonna be kind of a bitch. They're terminals, so make sure your connections are clean. What we're gonna do, there's another one underneath that one. We're gonna try to jump this. You can check these fuses. I already did at the track, so I know it's not that. And I checked power with the voltmeter. If you wanna do that, just there should be power on one side. There's power on this one from the battery. So you know the battery is making connection to the starter solenoid, right? We're gonna jump this to rule out 90% of the issues. That way, if this cranks over, if we jump the starter solenoid, you know it's got something to do with your control switch or your switches, your kill switch or your start button, you know, but mine's not even lighting up. It's not even cranking. Like the map switch is not lighting up or nothing when I press it. So I get a feeling I get a bad start switch button, but let's try to do this. If this cranks, oh my God, how am I gonna do this? That will work, right? Okay, I got my trusty, it's 12 volts, so you're not gonna get shocked. You just wanna dab it. I got my wire here and here. Oh, see that? You know what that means. Everything down to the starter is good. I'm gonna go ahead and put that back together later, but I'm gonna show you because I've been testing a little bit, doing a little more research. I just want to show you what we got here. We're gonna go to the next step. Testing out the starter switch. So I got the front number plate off. This is the connector this is the harness that goes up to your start button. I want to check that, so I know this is coming apart easy because I already had it apart. I got this out, and let me get the DVOM. I'm gonna check for ohms. That's this funny one here. Oops, right there. All right, I'm doing this alone, so it's kind of hard to film. Let me try here. Maybe I can do this. That might work. So let me put the meter facing you. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put, you have this harness. You have the orange wire. Hold on, you can't see it. You have the orange wire and that black with the white tracer. We're gonna jump those two pins on the left. See, there's some corrosion in here, not good. We're gonna jump those two on the left. Not jump them, but we're gonna connect the amp ohms meter, to it, and we're gonna see what we have for a reading when we press the button. These are not the right connectors for this, but I'm gonna make it work. You watch. Okay, I got them both there. So look at the ohms meter. Gotta make sure I'm making a connection. See what we got there? I'm gonna press the button. Boom. I let go. I pressed it. All right, here's the problem. Now we know the switch is good. Now we know the switch is good, so we're gonna have to, sorry about that. We're gonna have to do something as far as chasing wires from this connector down to that starter solenoid. I believe that's where that goes, but I was looking upon my discovery here. If you look right here, there's some wires here. See this arm, I think that's a brown wire. Here you go, see the brown wire? See that blue wire down there? Broken. So when you turn the handlebars, see that harness? It keeps moving right there. The wire broke. Anyway, I'm gonna repair that wire right here, and I'm gonna like untangle these and route them better so they turn with the steering head better. Anyway, hopefully this was helpful, and good luck on finding out why your bike or machine doesn't start. Later.